All right, you've got your clarinet. It's safely in its case. Now we're going to talk about assembling the clarinet, putting it together. The clarinet has a lot of different pieces, and you need to connect them very carefully. So, we start with the bell. This is the bottom part of the clarinet, and it connects to the lower joint. It connects with cork, and you want to very carefully twist to connect the two pieces. Now, if it's a little tight, you might need to use some cork grease. Your clarinet will probably come with a little tube of cork grease, and to apply it, just take a little bit on your finger and put it on the cork. This will make the two joints much easier to connect. Nice and easy. Next, the upper joint. This connects to the lower joint in the same way. You want to carefully twist it on, and be careful that the bridge key lines up. It's a little tricky at first, but if you push down this key here, it will raise this part of the bridge key, and you can safely connect the two pieces. You want to double check to make sure that the bridge key is lined up very evenly. Next, the barrel. The barrel connects to the top of the upper joint. Same way, nice and easily twist it on. You don't want to jam it in, you want to twist it. The top piece is the mouthpiece. And you want to be very careful with the mouthpiece that you don't scratch the facing. This is one of the most important parts of the clarinet, so be very careful with it. Take very good care of it. This gets connected to the barrel in the same way. Twist it on. And you want to line up the flat part of the mouthpiece, the facing, with the register key. The ligature is what connects the reed to the mouthpiece. There's a lot of different kinds of ligatures. Some are metal, some are leather like this. All of them are good. You just want to put that on the mouthpiece. And the last part is the reed. And reeds are very fragile. You want to keep them in a case where they can be safe. To put the reed onto the mouthpiece, carefully put the flat end of the reed against the flat part of the mouthpiece and line it up with the top of the mouthpiece. Then just tighten the ligature, not too tight, but nice and firm. You want the reed to be very symmetrical, very even, and lined up with the mouthpiece. Now your clarinet is properly assembled.